ATL, the world's busiest airport, but with rising congestion and outdated infrastructure, it's in dire need of a transformation. Can its $20 billion modernization plan make it future-ready, or will new global mega-airports leave it behind? Let's dive into ATL's incredible journey of innovation and growth. In recent years, ATL has embarked on a significant transformation and modernization journey aimed at addressing current challenges while positioning itself for future success. As one of the busiest airports in the world, ATL faces increasing demands for efficiency and passenger satisfaction amidst rising air travel volumes. The airport is committed to enhancing its infrastructure and services to meet these challenges head-on. Future plans include upgrading terminals, expanding capacity, and implementing cutting-edge technology to streamline operations and improve the overall travel experience. This video will delve into ATL's strategic initiatives, showcasing how these efforts not only aim to resolve existing issues but also to elevate the airport's status as a leader in global air travel. By focusing on innovation and sustainability, ATL is not just adapting to the evolving landscape of aviation but is also setting a benchmark for others to follow. Join us as we explore the exciting developments at ATL and understand the vital role it plays in connecting people and cultures around the globe, ensuring that air travel remains accessible and efficient for everyone. ATL is currently grappling with significant overcrowding and infrastructure challenges that impact its operations and passenger experience. As one of the busiest airports in the world, ATL handles over 100 million passengers annually, with thousands of flights departing each day. This staggering volume places immense pressure on its existing facilities, leading to congestion in terminals and longer wait times for travelers. The aging infrastructure exacerbates these issues, as many of the airport's systems and structures are not equipped to handle the current demands of modern air travel. Outdated baggage handling systems and limited gate availability hinder operational efficiency, resulting in delays and frustration for both airlines and passengers. Furthermore, ATL faces increasing competition from emerging global mega-airports that are investing heavily in state-of-the-art facilities and services. These airports are setting new standards for passenger experience, which puts additional pressure on ATL to modernize and innovate. Addressing these overcrowding and infrastructure issues is crucial for ATL to maintain its status as a leading hub in the aviation industry and to ensure a seamless travel experience for millions of passengers each year. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport has a rich history that dates back to its origins in 1925 when it was first established as Candler Field. Initially a small airstrip, the airport underwent significant evolution over the decades, particularly under the leadership of key figures like Mayor William Hartsfield. Hartsfield recognized the potential of aviation and championed the airport's expansion, transforming it into a vital transportation hub for the region. His vision laid the groundwork for what would become one of the busiest airports in the world. In the 1940s, the airport was renamed Atlanta Municipal Airport, and later, in honor of Hartsfield and his contributions, it was renamed Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. A pivotal moment in ATL's development came with the rise of Delta Airlines, which established its hub at ATL in the 1950s. This partnership propelled the airport into the spotlight, facilitating extensive domestic and international connections. Over the years, ATL has continued to grow, adapting to the demands of modern air travel while maintaining its status as a key player in the global aviation landscape. The $20 billion modernization plan for Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, known as the ATL Next program, is a comprehensive initiative designed to enhance the airport's infrastructure and passenger experience. This ambitious plan is structured in multiple phases, each aimed at addressing specific needs and challenges while ensuring the airport remains competitive in the evolving aviation landscape. One of the primary goals of ATL Next is to modernize passenger terminals and concourses, with significant upgrades planned to improve accessibility, efficiency, and overall comfort for travelers. These enhancements include expanding terminal space, upgrading security systems, and incorporating advanced technology to streamline operations. Additionally, the program focuses on creating a more sustainable airport environment, integrating eco-friendly practices into the design and construction processes. Future-proofing ATL is crucial, as it prepares the airport to accommodate anticipated growth in passenger traffic and evolving travel demands. By investing in these transformative upgrades, ATL aims to not only enhance the current travel experience but also ensure its long-term viability as a leading global air travel hub, ready to meet the challenges of the future. As part of the ongoing modernization efforts at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, significant improvements are being made to enhance the overall passenger experience. One of the key focuses of these enhancements is the expansion of retail and dining options throughout the airport. Travelers can look forward to a diverse array of new concession outlets and food halls that cater to various tastes and preferences, ensuring that every passenger can find something to enjoy while waiting for their flights. These new dining experiences will feature local favorites and international cuisine, providing a taste of Atlanta's vibrant culinary scene. Additionally, the construction of a luxury hotel near the airport is set to further elevate the travel experience. This hotel will offer convenient accommodations for travelers, allowing them to relax and unwind without the stress of long commutes. By investing in these improvements, ATL is committed to creating a more enjoyable and seamless journey for passengers, making their time at the airport not just a necessity but a pleasurable part of their travel experience. These enhancements reflect ATL's dedication to maintaining its status as a premier global airport. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is deeply committed to sustainability as it embarks on its expansion plans, with a clear goal of achieving LEED Silver certification for its new developments. This certification reflects the airport's dedication to environmentally responsible building practices and sustainable design. To further its sustainability objectives, ATL has set ambitious initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions by 2035, aligning with broader efforts to combat climate change and promote a greener future. These initiatives include enhancing energy efficiency, utilizing renewable energy sources, and implementing comprehensive waste reduction programs. Additionally, the integration of green technologies into airport operations is a cornerstone of ATL's sustainability strategy. This includes the adoption of electric ground support equipment, energy-efficient lighting systems, and advanced water conservation measures. By prioritizing these eco-friendly practices, ATL not only aims to minimize its environmental footprint but also to serve as a model for other airports worldwide. The commitment to sustainability is not just a trend for ATL, it is a fundamental aspect of its vision for the future, ensuring that the airport remains a responsible leader in the aviation industry while enhancing the travel experience for all passengers. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is at the forefront of integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance operational efficiency and improve the passenger experience. One of the most significant advancements is the implementation of biometric facial recognition systems, which streamline the check-in and boarding processes. This technology allows for quicker identification of travelers, reducing wait times and enhancing security measures. Additionally, ATL is investing in automated baggage handling systems that utilize advanced robotics and AI to ensure efficient and accurate processing of luggage. This not only minimizes the risk of lost bags but also speeds up the overall travel experience for passengers. Furthermore, energy management solutions are being integrated throughout the airport to optimize energy consumption and reduce operational costs. These systems monitor and control energy use in real time, contributing to ATL's sustainability goals while enhancing overall efficiency. The emphasis on technology is crucial for ATL as it navigates increasing passenger volumes and operational demands. By embracing these innovations, ATL is not only improving its current operations but also future-proofing itself as a leader in the aviation industry, ensuring a seamless and efficient travel experience for all. The future of air travel is poised for transformative changes, and Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is strategically positioned to play a pivotal role in this evolution. One of the most exciting prospects is the potential for hydrogen-powered aircraft, which promise to significantly reduce carbon emissions and revolutionize the aviation industry. ATL is actively exploring this innovative technology, recognizing its importance in achieving sustainability goals and meeting the demands of environmentally conscious travelers. Collaboration with industry leaders like Delta Airlines and Airbus is crucial in this endeavor, as these partnerships facilitate research and development of hydrogen fuel systems and infrastructure necessary for their implementation. As air travel trends shift towards greener and more efficient solutions, ATL must remain agile and adapt to these changes. This includes investing in the necessary facilities and technologies to support the next generation of aircraft. By embracing these advancements, ATL can ensure it remains a key player in the global aviation landscape, fostering a future where air travel is not only efficient but also sustainable, ultimately enhancing the travel experience for millions of passengers worldwide. In summary, this video has highlighted the critical modernization efforts underway at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, emphasizing their importance in addressing current challenges and preparing for the future of air travel. With a $20 billion investment in the ATL Next program, the airport is set to enhance passenger experiences through expanded retail and dining options, upgraded terminals, and the integration of cutting-edge technology. Additionally, ATL's commitment to sustainability and collaboration with industry leaders like Delta Airlines and Airbus positions it as a frontrunner in the evolution of aviation, particularly with the potential for hydrogen-powered aircraft. As we conclude, we encourage you to engage with our content by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more updates on ATL's journey. We value your insights and would love to hear your thoughts on ATL's future and the exciting developments discussed. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, as your feedback is essential in shaping the conversation around the future of air travel and the role of ATL in it. Thank you for watching. As ATL embarks on its massive transformation, it joins a league of world-class airports striving for innovation and excellence. If you're fascinated by ambitious infrastructure projects, don't miss our deep dive into FC Barcelona's €1 billion Camp Nou renovation and how it's shaping up for 2025. Plus, check out Singapore's plan to dominate air travel in 2024, where we explore how Changi Airport became the world's best. Links are in the description, make sure to watch those next. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.